Hello everyone and welcome to January 2021. We're super excited to be able to present today the new products that we're launching on tubbytabby.com. We had lots of fun making them, and over the next few weeks we're going to be previewing some more products that we're going to have available in February. But for now, let's get into January. First up, we have some really awesome brand new shampoo bars. One is called Bamboozled, and it's got a wonderful bamboo and teak fragrance to it, and it's super moisturizing. We're also launching an Unscented shampoo bar for those who are sensitive to fragrances. Some people are sensitive to natural fragrance as well as synthetic fragrance. So for anyone who was looking for a just plain unscented shampoo bar, we've got you covered now. Next up, we've got our fresh linen laundry soap. This tiny package will wash about 24 loads of laundry, so a little goes a long way, and we're really excited to introduce this product. Next up, we have solid lotion bars, raw, unrefined cocoa butter in them, so they just have the natural scent of chocolate. And so we absolutely love these bars, and we hope you just love them too. And last but not least, we have the herbed butter. This is a body butter made of shea butter, avocado oil, and cocoa butter. So it is really, really nourishing for the skin, and a little goes a long way once again. And we're going to be showing you how we make this body butter in more detail in a future video. However, we're super excited to be able to introduce it with our January line of products that you can buy now on tubbytabby.com.